You want to flip? Good job, Rico. Good job, Rico. Hello everyone, this is KK Creatures, and in this video I will be introducing my bird to some new toys. I just bought him, and so really exciting. He's not much of a toy bird. He doesn't really like to play with toys, but I still got him some, of course, because they're so important to their lives. And so I will be showing you what I got him and seeing how he likes them. Okay. So I got this perch. It's rope and it's stretchy, and so I'm going to completely rearrange his cage today, and I'll show you that. But this is going to be really nice. I've been wanting to get him a rope perch, and he's always jittery and scared around new stuff. But I think he's going to really like a rope perch, and a really cool thing is it bends in any way you want. So I can make it fit shape about how I want it to. And I got, these aren't really toys, but I'm getting there. This is spray millet. It's super good for treats, and it's also good for the bird in some ways. So I had to get that. That was pretty good. And now to the toys. And I'm kind of basing this off of what I've noticed he likes. And I think he's going to love these rings on this cool thing. I think he's going to love these rings and love these little wicker balls right here. I think he's going to like this one, and I'm hoping he does. Because he's not much of a, he doesn't really like to play with toys. And I want him to start playing with them because they're so important. And then I got him this. It's just like a regular log, but it has a bunch of holes in it. And I think he's gonna really like this one. Just like for gnawing on and stuff. And I got him this. I'm not a big fan of bells, but since he's so young, it should be fine. And it was hard to find a small toy that didn't have a bell, and this was like a really good one, I think. It has a lot of beads. It has these like chain links that I think he'll like, and little wood blocks. So that one seems like he'll like it. Then I got a sneaker, and it also has beads on it. It has little rings. You can also clip it up somewhere. I think he'll like this one with the strings and stuff. And yeah. So that should be it. I got this for Shadow our bunny, but it will not be for my bird. It's very big for my bird, so I won't be having that for him. He wants to fly somewhere. So yeah, let's set this up and see how he likes these toys. So first I'm starting with this one. I hope he likes it. Again, he's probably going to be all scared when I first introduce it to him, but I'm going to see how he likes it. Hello, one. Oh, this is good. Looks like he likes that. This is a good sign that he's already grabbing it. This is good. I thought he would like plastic because he loves to play with my phone case. So I was like, I need to get him some plastic toys. This is good. Yeah, I'm gonna let this go, little one. He's not gonna let go of this. So yeah, I'm going to put that up, and he'll be able to play with it better in his cage. But this is good. He already likes the first toy. Okay, little one. You can play with it in your cage, but I got plenty more to show you. There you go. Okay. Now I'm going to try the shoe. You want to see this? A little scary. You like the little rings? Man, I didn't know he liked plastic beads and stuff this much. Also these little things. That's good. First two he already enjoys. Okay, he's like, move on to the next. Here's a little log. Oh my goodness, if he likes every single one of the toys I give him. Oh, he just wants to climb on it. I didn't realize, but this is also good for climbing. And he's chewing on it good. Okay. 3 toys he already likes. Now to the big one. I hope he likes this, because this was bigger. Oh my, what did I say? He loves those rings. And the confetti. Wow, I didn't think he'd like that. Because he has that toy in there with all this confetti. He does not like that. He's never touched that. He's climbing it. Oh good, he likes it. This means he likes every single one of the toys I got him. That's pretty lucky. Normally they will not like toys. I got 2 toys in there that he didn't like. The confetti one, right there, with like the beads and wood on the top. I also got a little pinata one behind that one with the bell. That pinata one definitely either. And he's on my phone. See, he loves my case. Okay, so let's set up his cage. So first I have to take everything out and clean everything. Because he gets everything messy, which is normal. That's what birds do. And he drops his foraging toy in the water dish. So that's gone. You made a little mess, didn't you? Okay. So let me take everything out, and I will show you how I set it up. So I'm keeping some things because some of these perches and such couldn't really be in a better spot. And like this perch right here, he sleeps on this and he really likes this, and I don't want to change too much. I'm just kind of changing around the toys. And this perch, of course, food and water. That thing couldn't really move, and then this one to get in and out of the cage. So I'm just kind of rearranging the toys. So I took out all the old toys. Like here's the pinata. He didn't do anything to it. Actually, I poked this hole in here because I put a few seeds in there for foraging, and he didn't really care for that. This one I got a few days ago, and he likes it. He doesn't really do anything to it, but like he likes it enough. Like he likes to swing on it and stuff because it has a long string. And then this one's huge. And I made it like a really long time ago just because I was hoping for a bird, and I was so excited I just started building toys even though I didn't even have a bird. So I built this one a really long time ago, and it's really not that great. I want him to destroy it, but he hasn't. So anyways, new toys are definitely going to be better. And now time to set up the cage. But before I do that, I want to see what his favorite new toy is. So. Okay, so here are all the toys. And I'm going to put them on a hard surface real quick so then he can't get his nails caught in the carpet. But here's how I'm going to have them. And before you see which one he picks, tell me in the comments which one you think he's going to like. He seemed to like all of them, but which one do you think a conure or my conure would like more? So go ahead and tell me right now what you think. This one, we'll call it toy number 1. This one, shoe or toy number 2. This one, toy number 3 or log. This one, toy number 4. Which one do you think my bird will like more? I honestly think he's going to like this one the most. But I don't know. I think it's going to be a close tie between these two. He's coming over. He wants to see what's going on. But we'll see. Okay. He went for that one the first time, but he was kind of like turned to that angle. So I'm going to switch him up and see which one he chooses next time. I thought he'd like that one. Okay, I put them all in a row. So it's a little more accurate because they're all near each other. Don't you want to check them out? All those toys. So he's not really cooperating to go down and check out the other ones. But I'm gonna try. So I think it's... Okay, good. He's more interested in the ground than the toys. Yep, that's his favorite. So if you put... I forget what number I gave it, but if you put that... He got that toy... then I will heart your comment. But everyone else, thanks for guessing. And now to model the cage. So I'm going to have that right there, so he can be on his perch for food and he can play with it, or he can be on the squiggly perch, or even up here he can reach it. So it's in a good location. And then he's using the rope. And he found the other toy, kind of. Wow, he really likes that shoe. That's awesome. I'm glad you like that. That might be his second favorite after that one. Maybe this is the first. So I put this one right here because I want him to kind of have like a little corner of toys. I don't want it to be an overwhelming amount, but I think 2 is a good amount of just little toys that he can interact with, so he's not having to run back and forth to play with some of his toys. Yay, he's playing with that toy! I thought he would like that, the top of it, the texture it's made of. He likes cracking that. Now I'm going to put the piñata in, but I'm going to put it down lower on that one perch in the back. Hey, baby. So there's where I put the piñata, kind of in the back there. And I think that's everything except for this one. This one right here. I'm not sure if I want to add it back. I guess I will, but just kind of in the corner over there. Time to show him his new home. Not really new home, but new toys. He wants to come out. And this is his cage after I got some more things. I got another rope perch. I got this yucca wood chewing thing. And that's basically it. I moved some stuff around. I didn't want to completely clutter his home, but I made it a little better for him. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be trying to be posting videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And by the way, if you didn't learn from the video, I named him. And I named him Rico. R-I-C-O, Rico. But thank you to everyone for commenting on my videos and just telling me support and some help, and also for giving me name suggestions. There are some really cute and cool names out there, and I want to thank you for suggesting them and giving me some ideas, and basically helping me out with my new bird Rico. So thank you for that. And in this video, comment and tell me if you like the name Rico, and if you don't, why you don't. Or just anything else you'd like to tell me. I'm open to basically anything. I mean, as long as it involves animals or creatures or my channel or support or anything. Say bye, Rico.